guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some tie-dye clothing. This is the Tulip Kit tie-dye party kit. So you can buy this at Joann's, and I'm so excited to show you this video. Let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing you're going to need to do this experiment is basically your tie-dye, of course. The next thing is your rubber bands or ribbon or string, whatever you're going to use to hold the clothing. Next thing is hand protection, because you don't want to dye your hands and it doesn't come off. Next thing is floor protection, so you don't get dye on your floor. If you don't have this, you can just use a trash bag. The next thing is obviously your clothing. If you want to use something that you don't care about, if this is your first time, please use something you don't care about and is cheap, so you can, if you accidentally mess up, you don't have to worry about it. Next thing is a fork, so you can spin it on your clothing if you're going to do that strategy. But if you don't want to do the strategy we're using, then it's okay. Use your imagination and go wild. Okay guys, so now we're gonna wet it like a towel, but not too wet, where it's like dripping wet. And then after you wet it all, then that's when you have to squeeze all the water out. And then you should be good after. So if you've done it, like wetted it already, that's good. Now all you have to do is just squeeze all the water out. Well, not all of it, but it still has to be a little bit wet. And you should be good for the next step. Next step, you have to fill it up to right here if you're using a kit. If you want a lighter color, just fill it up to the line as it says. So I'm just gonna fill it right here for not as light color. Don't be scared to take it out every single time. It'll go good. So here's what I did. Now I'm just gonna fill the rest up and I'll see you for the next step. Guys, for the third step, you're going to need to get your fork and your clothing, whatever you're gonna use. So you can swirl it anywhere you want on whatever you're using. We're using this, so right now we're gonna go for the middle. If you wanna go for the middle too, do the same thing we're doing. So first you're going to swirl it around with your fork, and once you think it's perfect enough, go ahead and just swirl it around, and it should look like a pizza after. So after you're done making it look like pizza, just secure it with your rubber bands. Okay guys, so now what you're going to do is you're going to put your gloves on, have your swirl done, you're going to put your strings on it, and then so now pretend that this is a pizza. So each slice is going to be one color. So now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take one color and you're just going to start outlining it. So just like I'm doing, start outlining it just like this, and make sure you get every single piece. And it doesn't have to be perfect. You just have to be creative. And it's okay to get help. Make sure to ask permission to do this before you start this craft. So now that you see every single spot has to be purple. And if you're just a kid, make sure you have supervision with you so you don't get hurt or anything like that. So as you see, everything is purple. And that's good. So now you're just going to start doing the same step we did each time all around, and then once you're done, you're going to flip it over and do the other side. Okay guys, so the finishing touch should look like this. It should look like how I showed you with the pizza slices. You do one separate color for each slice. It should look the same as the back. So it doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to look something like this. You can use whatever colors you want, it doesn't matter, as long as you have something that looks like this, if you're doing this well. Now we're gonna take it and we're gonna put it in a bag, a trash bag for 24 hours. Then in the morning, you're going to put it in the wash and let it dry. And then you'll see the finished results tomorrow. Bye.